Hello everyone, Takalaka. Yes, it is my right. It is my right. Open it, make I do. Open that package there. It is my right. It is not your right, Oga. It is not your right. Now somebody get time. That is what I want to tell you. There are processes that you need to go in before you enter your wife purpose. There are languages that you didn't need to speak, and these languages are this. It is my right, even if you agree or you did not agree, I will take it today. It is not your right to force someone. It is not your right. It is not your right to fight to do it. It is your right to pamper that woman. It is your right to confuse that woman. It is that your right to make sure the woman did not know when she entered. She begged you to come in. Yes. It is not your right to fight. Any man that you see that fights to sleep, to have pekus, no be correct man. They know the fighter. They know the fighter. It is your right to take that woman out. Yes. It is your right for you to wash your boxers. It is your right to clean yourself. A lot of men know they wash they know they brush their teeth. They know they clean, they know they wash their singlet. Then they smell. Yes. It is your right to be clean. And the woman have to tell you this. Organa me talk am. It is your right to be clean before coming to that woman. It is your right to make sure that you try to build your home, to retain all these things so that this thing will continue. A lot of men, when they just get 10 years, 15 years, you see their eyes is outside to look for all these small girls that their breast is still pumping up, coming up. Their own will still fall one day. Now so your wife own day when he come. It is not your right to flirt. If you are flirting, sometimes there are women that all these things are irritating. It is not your right to come inside, enter the house and begin to harass your children, quarrel everyone. It is your right to make sure there is peace and love in your home. Daddy. Mommy, it is your right to respond. When Oga talk, respond well. It is your right to make sure there is peace. It is your right to make sure that the children did not know that you and Oga is having issue. Because of the children, settle with him. It is your right to cook good food. Oga, it is your right to bring that money and put into that woman's hand. Madam, it is your right to cook and make sure your husband eats. It is your right to wait when your husband did not have. You have patience and bring out your own. It is your right to keep yourself clean. It is your right to wash your pants. What? Madam, keep your pekus clean. It is your right. Keep your armpits clean. It is your right. It is your right in that home. Don't just do yourself a yakata. It is your right. Oga and Madam, it is your right to bring this family together. God have put the head. Remember, the neck is still there. Without the neck, the head self no go stand. Madam, now you be neck. It is your right to make sure that food is on the table. It is your right to contribute, two of you to contribute money. Bring out your money, madam. Oga, bring out your money. If you don't bring money, how do you want this family to succeed? Madam, manage the money they give to you. It is your right to make sure that this family is in order. Love Ada is saying it today. Nobody will tell you this. I am the one who will tell you this. Because good relationship brings a good, successful family. Period.